at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. A battery freak show transpired. Fantastic! Well, the clock quit working. This is a Crazarts clock. And I thought this was just going to be, oh, I'll take the battery out and change it out. I didn't think this would be video worthy to change the battery in a clock, but Crazart. Inherently it will be, because we have a battery mess inside of here. This is another Duracell. Now I'm starting to question how durable these really are. This battery, oh man, this battery shouldn't have expired until 2024. And I look at this clock all the time, so the amount of time that passed between when this quit and when it leaked, or maybe it quit because it leaked, I don't know, but it was working up until a day or two ago. So that's just lovely. And that's a mess. That's not a little bit of leakage. That's really bad. The whole terminal is all corroded. What a mess. Well, I gotta get this cleaned up now. Alright, so I'm going to try to physically just scrape as much of it off as I can. Dump the remnants into here first. Okay. This is ridiculous. Alright. I think that's all we're going to be able to physically scrape out of there. So now I'll go ahead and get some isopropyl alcohol and we'll clean the rest of it with that. Jeez. This is 70%. So it's 30% dilution, I guess, of water probably. And this usually works pretty well. I think you can also use like a mixture of vinegar and I want to say salt to erode the corrosion. But this is very small, so we'll just do this. Alright, that looks like it's pretty much all cleaned out. So I'm going to put a energizing or energizer, whatever, battery in here. This is a, I thought this was a lithium battery, but it's not. It's a pile alkaline battery. And I'm really leery about alkaline batteries now. I've been having a lot of bad results with them lately, but try this one here. Actually, I don't even know if this battery is any good. I should have checked it before I put in the clock, and of course this clock doesn't have a second hand, so it's hard to really tell if it's working or not. I don't really particularly like this clock, but we used to have it in the kitchen, so I just keep it around for nostalgia purposes, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to set it to 7:33, and I'll check back in a few minutes and see if it went up at all. Alright, I got another battery because the other one wasn't keeping time. So now I gotta set it again. We're up to 7:38 now. And I can hear it clicking. So I think it's working now. So I'll go ahead and put this back up on the wall, and then we'll check it again in a few minutes. There's the clock. It's working again. It's keeping time properly. So hopefully this Energizer's battery will last a little longer and not fail so dramatically.